2012 M3, and today we're going to be working with the M3 hood, which is we're going to be removing the hood trim. There's two cutouts, they are on both sides, and to remove them safely we need to pop the hood, and from the underneath we have one side and the other side. This is basically the rubber. I would probably call them grommets. Grommets, it's the small pieces, but this is the rubber kind of protective boots. Pull that rubber piece down, which is kind of jammed inside, but it's not that hard to pull it out. Also, if we're gonna take a closer look, we're gonna see the type of pins in there, and they in between of the plastic piece and metal hood. You need to push the pin from the inside and then push on it. There are about 5 of them around the perimeter. And at the top, you're gonna see some of the pins did pop out. After that, you simply need to go through the perimeter and make sure everything is loose. Be pretty careful. Then we have another pin right at that spot in between of the plastic mesh and the trim piece. Use the pin tool and basically pop this piece out and then push toward the front or pull toward the front the trim piece. The plastic mesh got to be slide toward the interior of the car and then simply pull it out. Okay, after we did what we need, we can start assembling. First, it's gonna go the rubber piece. We have little grooves here, which they gotta go to the bottom spot here, bottom portion. You simply start from the front and make yourself toward the back. Then get in the plastic mesh piece, and it's gonna be kind of, it's not quite challenged, but you gotta be pretty cautious to not damage any of those tabs because they simply slide in on the place. A little bit of pushing and wobbling, that'll do the job. And the last piece, that's gonna be the trim piece. As you can see, there are 2 cutouts at the back. One of them are kind of broken, so you also wanna be pretty careful with that. And push it down toward those 2 clamps here, and from that point we simply need to push down every single position, every single spot to just lock it in place. And we're all set. So if you did like the video, guys, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave a comment below. I'll see you next one.